manyikanite nga Saba ase bono uburendi obonene bwanyarako bokororokana bubekira ase chipara ao mono ime yomochi o Nairobi nigo obonchoreri obonge bwarorekana busiekire ase bono abange babo besokia guchia gukora okorobekana ase banyarako bakonarigwa boigo n'abasikari ase tokonja chikonyako batokuriye chibiche chiga na corona rarari agenderete ase emechi ao amoni chipara ime seto ya Kenya ase Rituko ria Saba.
Why should you deploy security like this? Because of us demonstrating our rights. The right to protest is in Constitution. And today is Saba the day Kenya got multi-party. And there are some of those people who died. So we came out peacefully. We notified the police. We notified regional commander. We notified central police. Why should they arrest us? Why are they going against the law? We did what is being wanted for us to do. We notified them. Their work is to come and give us security. Why are they arresting us? We even don't. We were not even demonstrating yet. They just grabbed us. I ran away. I just ran away, and they have arrested 3 of us: Julius Kamau, Mulinge Muteti, and Dixon Mundu. We demand their immediate release. What have we done? Why are you bothering? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
In our fight for the second liberation, and that has taken quite some time. The community living here, the Lu in particular, have been at the forefront of fighting for that second liberation. We have lost quite a number of people. Our people have been maimed. We have lost businesses, but we are saying where we are at the moment, we choose to observe this day in peace. We choose peace. And the other thing that we are saying, we have been on this path for political emancipation, if you can call it, for quite some time. And we are thinking that our focus right now, by the way, would be economic empowerment. How do we empower our people to ensure that they can manage their daily lives? So I think that is what is important for them. Now, the other thing we're talking about is that we are part of a broad-based arrangement with the current government. We think, and very consciously, that it is to our best interest to work with this government